At the University of Oregon College of Education, we are focused on the future.
The future of research.
The future of our communities.
The future of education.
The Pacific Northwest, where nature's beauty meets boundless opportunity, provides our students and faculty with a remarkable environment for learning and discovery. We provide our students with an inclusive learning environment and equip them with opportunities to pursue their passions. With a commitment to research that bridges theory and real-world impact, our faculty and students work to address critical issues in mental and behavioral health, K-12 education, and building strong families and communities. Community outreach is central to our mission. We partner with local schools, organizations, and families to make a real impact here in Eugene, throughout the state, and across the country. At our campus, you'll experience something truly unique, and as a Duck, you'll join a global network of over 250,000 alumni. You will always be a part of our flock. The well-being of our communities, families, and children depends on creating an educational system that works for everyone.
The future starts here.
And it starts with you.